Namaste all. Today we are going to discuss about the scientific success secret by using the concept of H technique and D theory. So before going to that, every human being having an experience, but this experience is in the 5 dimensions. So the 5 dimensions can be represented as a small word SIFTS. S stands for our body senses, and I stands for the imagination, or F stands for the feelings, T stands for the thoughts, and finally the source of all those things. So in this way we have 5 dimensions of human experience. This is our day-to-day process. So to get the optimal experience in our day-to-day process, what is the science behind the success? If you see the art form of life, it is a beautiful, and what is the science behind that also we will try to understand and apply in our day-to-day life. So for that we combine all the knowledge in a RLGS group, that is Responsible Learning Genius Simulation in You. So we are trying to understand the science behind the art of creation. So if you see that, what is the H technique? So H technique is nothing but the coordination between hand, head and heart. The coordination between the hand, head and heart. Hand represents our physical dimension, physical body. Head represents our mind space. Heart represents our emotions, energy and source of all. So in this way, once we have the coordination between our physical body, our mind space, as well as our emotions and energy, then obviously we will get the success in whatever we desire. So that's why desire is the driving force for individual life. Desire is the driving force for individual life. And we are also having the dreams. So the concepts goes like this. So we need to prepare our desires and dreams in a structured manner on day-to-day life. That means once you are preparing your desires and dreams, and there is an external demands based on the other relationship we build in our life, like in the office we have our do list, whereas in the home we have need to fulfill some of the desires of others also. So that will become the demands. So finally it boils down to one thing: desire is the driving force. So the desires we will try to bring from our mind to the paper by using our hand, so that we are preparing our desire list. Once we are preparing the desire list, now the important components: desires, dreams, demands from the external, and the do list. So finally doing is the process to fulfill our desires and dreams and external demands. So in the doing process also we have only two options. One is external doing, another one is internal doing. What is the external, what is the internal means? If you just close your eyelids, you are in the dark phase. So when you are open this, we are in the outside. So whatever the reach of within your physical body, that is what the internal. Out of the reach of the physical body, where we need to move and do the activities, is called the external. So in this way, if you understand that one single word, lid, eyelid, where we can convert from the light to dark, light in dark transformation process, such that in this way, if you are understanding that in the process of doing, to fulfill our desires and dreams, we are enjoying. So in the process of doing itself, we are developing our attitudes. So in turn it will converted as knowledge. Over a period of time, repetitively if you are doing that, it will become your skill. Once you are master your skills more than 21 days, it will become an habit. It will become an automatic process. That means the preparation of the desire list and doing list, coordination between those two will brings the coordination in your heart, head and hand, so which will guarantee the success. So this is the scientific success secret. So now we will try to understand the education process as a whole, education for the entire life, and we will map all those things into a one concept known as RLGS, Responsible Learning Genius Simulation in You. Thank you. Namaste.